3 things that happen when you put your legs up against a wall every day. Viparita Karani, often referred to as inverted leg pose or legs up the wall pose, is definitely one of the easiest and simplest poses that virtually everyone can perform at home. It has become all rage among dancers, athletes, runners, and stressed-out workers due to its ability to both alleviate pain and tightness and calm the mind and reduce anxiety. It is one of the best things you can do for yourself at the end of a tough day or before an important event. Viparita Karani variations. There are a few different ways to perform this pose, and whichever you choose depends on your own abilities. 1. Legs straight up the wall version. Lie on the back with your bum against the wall, or as close to the wall as possible, with the legs raised straight up the wall hip distance apart. Feel free to prop the bum up on a pillow, particularly if you are pregnant. The soles of the feet should be facing upward toward the ceiling, and the arms should be placed beside you for balance. The amount of stiffness in the hips determines how close to the wall your legs are. Ideally, they will be touching the wall, but it might take a while for you to get there. 2. Legs in a wide V version. For deeper stretch, do the same as explained above, but instead of keeping the feet hip distance apart, spread the legs into a wide V formation. This will enable you to feel a deeper stretch in the groin area while being gentle at the same time. 3. Soles together version. Turn the knees outward and put the soles of the feet together, with the legs pressed against the wall. This is quite an intense stretch, allowing you to experience the deepest groin stretch from the pose. So, what are the benefits of Viparita Karani? 1. Increases blood flow and decreases inflammation. This pose increases blood flow and circulation, particularly after a day of sitting or standing for an extended period of time. It reduces swellings as well, especially swelling in the feet, ankles, and calves. 2. Improves hamstring mobility and reduces lower back pain. This pose stretches out the hamstrings, which often become shortened as a result of sitting at a desk all day, causing lower back pain. By performing this pose, you will relieve the pressure on the lower back, relieve pain, and improve hamstring mobility. 3. Reduces stress and stimulates relaxation. As it alleviates pain and increases blood flow, this pose also relaxes you. This stimulation of the nervous system brings you into a more relaxed and calmer state. Hence, it also induces sleep and allows you to get a better night's sleep. This is a very simple home stretch to perform. Try it and you will feel the difference by doing it just once. If you like the stretch and the feeling it gives, then do this every day for 5 minutes at first. Then, slowly increase the duration, where you can comfortably do this for 30 minutes. The benefits of doing this are enormous, and if you suffer from any back pain, it will be cured by this stretch. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.